Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to change your cursor to an image using CSS. As you can see, got div element here and it got a gray background. When I will take my mouse over this div element, you can see the cursor is changed to an image. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. I already got an image file here. The format is PNG. The size is 32 by 32. Now let's create an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. We only need one div element here. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select div element, give it a height of 300 pixels, width will be same 300 pixels, margin will be 30 pixel and auto, background color will be gray, border radius will be 5 pixels. Now to replace the cursor with an image, we need to use the cursor property here. Then URL, the location of the image. In my case, it is in the same directory, so it will be image.png. We also need a fallback. So in case it fails to load the image, we'll go with the auto. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser. Now take your mouse over the div element. You can see we are getting an image here. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.